Okay. Today's date is the 16th of July 2026. The time now is 6:06 p.m. So, for me personally, this is Muco operating system. Forever here now. M for Mike, or the recording. M for Mike, I think M for Mike, E for Umbrella, Two Charlie, Two for Oscar. The Muco operating system. Forever here and now. By me, Namdi Michael Abala. Yeah, it's just my note. Yeah, I wrote down my notes. This is my notes from the to myself. So we have what I'm going to be doing for um, 3 years of my life. So I'll be implementing 100%, implementing 100% red face uh, uh, polyglot via ABI application binary interface program. This is just a minimal viable product. This is basically implement 100%, also known as Gosilang, GOSI, GSI, GSI, G for gold, G for girl, S for Sarah, or Gosilang file, uh, wait, GL, Gosi- no, GL file. Yeah, I'm checking out into my own program, so, but this is the occasion, so, I have to do a lot of writing. This is basically what I have studied embedded systems and programming, but how it works is this. So, Golang handles concurrency. Basically, does with uses event bubbling, because this is event bubbling. So, Golang using bubbling. So it doesn't use event propagation because errors because when an error hits the stack, error is about stack, and the error bubble, you catch the basically the gutter authentication is really there. But 20% translating theory. I have this on my repository. I have to show you how Gosilang works. Um, so my website is gonna be a problem. Well, maybe let me just show you how this works. So 100% trend safety. Basically use uh, mutex, which is a shared lock. Mutex, which is shared lock, event lock. Am I right? Mutex is the when it's time to it's a shared lock between the philosopher's dining problem. So after study of the philosopher's dining problem. So it has to never fail. And trust safety is a big issue for the science. So you get Homer, you get Aristotle, you get Plato, you get Socrates, and you get all of them sitting down on the table and then how they are. I already have solutions to this in God's but I want to implement in God because I can eliminate stress safety entirely. My certification really there. If I try to show you, get on the certification. I think I should make it GSL for Gossip or GSL for Gossip Land. You know, because it's like uses three letters, three characters. Yeah. So this is the Gossip Land. I don't want to. I will not use AI to write this program. But this is how it works. So I'm using glass coding algorithms. from shared context problems, uh, CPP or C programming uh, language. It's gonna be a higher level language. High level language. It's gonna be it's gonna be C, but it's gonna be a high level language. It's gonna be an extent of. It's gonna be polyglot programming. Polyglot programming language. It's gonna be used for embedded systems and IoT devices. I have to finish this out of time properly. So I can't just divert. So I'm building MUCO OS and for my I'm happy with the start of MUCO OS and for my you formula keep it also. The spirit of the curtain call, but I don't have any focus now. I'm just concentrating on myself. And the problem I have is that it's not really mm, completed. Uh, I wrote down here concurrency because basically the problem is defined in the limit classification. Yeah, let me see the classification. So this classification of Gosilang, Gosilang. So this is Gosilang here. This is the MVP. Actually, just run it here. hmm This is zero. This is Gosilang master. This is something like this is a programming language. I was right. For me, I've written a programming language before, but I've written very poorly. For me, I'm writing like a polyglot programming language. So, MVP, MVP Ghosting, learning the gossiping. Brain, RIAI, resource allocation is initialization. But this is code code. It's just the code file. Like, doing the, let me try to download it to run it here. But I'm rushing this project. I'm not gonna be doing this properly because I'm talking to myself. I feel like I have no central point of focus anymore. But this is what I'm talking about myself. This is why I keep this three diaries. It's like keeping this work open. So this is what I'm saying. So if I download this here, this is called Gosilang. Download this. Yeah. So this is the Gosilang. So I've gone to the Gosilang repository. I've downloaded the Gosilang. I'm gonna run it to show you what I mean. But it's gonna use for embedded systems and IoT devices, Internet of devices. But it's gonna be what's called polyglot programming, networking language with 100% specificity. I'm trying to find specification first, so let me find specification of it because that explains why it's 100% thread safe. It's 100%. It doesn't invest in new logic. I'll just show you specification. Because specification will prove that it does have it basically extend PDF user PDF user PDF. So this is this is the location here. So basically, this is the location. I don't remember how I did it. This is not the code. This is the one design efficient button. This is from Ballet Joe Recruit. This is the code here. This is not the easy to write it. And I'm gonna be building a different one. But, I just wanna work on my programming language today. So it's not gonna work on here. So this is code. This is XML. Just non-stop. This is a constructor rules. So this is a program has Boolean rules. So this is the after construction feature. One minute to the name of the function handle. This is not good enough. This is not good. So the theorem, because I use theorems in math. The theorem is that. Uh, Let me go about the theorems properly. Because basic usage. Yeah, let me just run this. Can I go here and run it? ED MVP. ED Gosilang. Plus plus. Bring Gosilang There's no one time. This is some of the work. Yeah, this is a proof language. Test the Gosilang. This is the fine name. This is not good enough. Um, I'm not really happy about what I'm doing with programming with it. Then I'll be uh, because I should be writing more documentation. Easy MVP, easy dot, then say, easy blog code. What's the get code is like? Never doing kind of right. I'm gonna take a break from doing a lot of things. The element is I have to pick the element. So I have to polarize the new copy to put the good into the concept of the physical world. Physical world, MMUCO OS to the C. Well, this guy, Gosilang, so it's not really making any sense what this is. If I write the entire Gosilang programming into the collect the money, it makes sense. But it will make sense because I have to develop the learning properly. This is not just a Gosilang. This is Gosilang. This is Gosilang. This project thing. Gosilang. This is yeah. So CD project. Maybe something about fine. Oh, Gosilang then. Okay. So this is the binary. You can type and make it. It's in the top. You click on fucked up, didn't compile. So this is some of the code here. You see, the specification is very poor, and I'm not doing things properly. But this is what I'm saying. Uh, I'm not doing things properly. I'm literally just, this is being disgusting. Thing, disgusting. Oh, oh, why is this wrong? Put on binary. I'm right. You broke the binary. Sure, just stick with it. Let me just run something else. Medical monitor. Medical monitor. Yeah. This screen is what is executable. So this is the code here. It's no, it's kind of poetic. This is not the code I want. This is kind of Python. This is Guinea. Guinea is the parent. Dot basically the images of Guinea. I don't know. I'm not doing things properly. Yeah, Guinea is the parent. This is Guinea. Guinea and Gosilang. Uh, this is Guinea. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna stop talking now because this is all becoming too much for me to bear as well. So we spoke about Nico, very big Nico Gothic. So, I really think about this as well. You know, I have to get into program because I am building for embedded system, which I understand that uh, building embedded system, doesn't have logic. Basically, if you have a traffic light program and you have a two state machine for one traffic light program, uh, then you have the two state machine diagram. Example, when you're crossing the street, I don't know how to explain a better system. Like, I'm very, for me, I'm being very, very reluctant to say a lot of things. You know, the idea of this working is like working because it works. So this is dirty language. So Gosilang is the world's first programs to get block coloring visualizing algorithm. I'm not still a bit rich, but I can build all this in C. I can build Gosilang V1 in C. But I want to use Ref. Ref stands for reference, and usually I'm saying that I want to be sure that this is correct. This is gonna be a full video. We should then should this thing to the I'll just choose some notes that just talk about ways to know. I got something written down. That's what I'm. Thank you, guys.